Are you looking for a solution for balding, thinning hair, or a receding hairline? If so, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local hair restoration specialist, and customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. With hair restoration, you'll have your hair back in a short time with minimal pain and fast healing time. The best part is, through our grafting technology, we'll replace your thinning areas with your own real hair. So contact us now and let us help you regrow your confidence.